So good day everyone. Today I'm going to talk about soil management practices for adaptation, which are important in helping agriculture cope with climate change and environmental stress. The first practice is conservation agriculture. This includes methods such as minimum tillage, crop rotation, and cover cropping. These practices help improve soil structure, increase water retention in the soil. As a result, crops are better able to withstand extreme conditions like droughts and heavy rainfall. Conservation agriculture reduces soil and erosion. It maintains soil fertility over time. The second practice is agroforestry. Agroforestry involves integrating trees and shrubs into agricultural land. This practice improves soil fertility by adding organic matter, provides shades that reduces soil temperature, and increases biodiversity. Overall, agroforestry makes farming system more resilient and adaptable to changing climate conditions. The third practice is irrigation and water management. Irrigation and water management are efficient water use techniques such as drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting help ensure that crops receive enough water even during dry periods. Proper water management reduces water wastage and helps maintain soil moisture, which is essential for healthy crop growth.